Hi, it's Ty with WTI, and we all know the world out there is tough, and what you sometimes need is mental toughness to face the everyday challenges. They might be your inner challenges, they might be challenges you have at the workplace, but either way, this is a great handbook for facing what's the deal with you and then find out the solutions. So just giving examples of this Damon Zahariades mental toughness handbook. For example, your enemy number 8 is self-limiting beliefs. It also has a paragraph of Finnish concept of sisu and how to embrace sisu in the face of adversity. Habit 5, build a tolerance for change. The art of being grateful, how to take action without willpower and motivation. Most common reasons we give up. Ask yourself these 5 questions when you feel like quitting. Mastery is a necessity for mental toughness. How to get comfortable with boredom. How failure improves your mental toughness. And you decide how to feel about failure. So there's so many great subjects this mental toughness handbook is handling. Something that is important for all of us to think about. And how do we face, for example, negative emotions, setbacks in life, just any situations that might make us as people uncomfortable, maybe nervous, maybe anxious. But that's when Damon Zahariades comes in to help with the mental toughness handbook. It means that you are better equipped to face everyday situations. And sometimes we might need books to help us with that. And there's always things to apply. So I recommend it to you if you like reading. And that, of course, is just my point of view.